Hello and welcome to the 10th session of the Igniting Minds, a platform with the motto of explore, express and enhance yourself. दूसरों के लिए मंच खूब सजा लिए, चलो आज अपने लिए एक मंच सजाते हैं। औरों के लिए तालियां खूब बजा लिए, चलो आज अपने लिए तालियां बजवाते हैं। पर्दे के पीछे की भीड़ में बहुत रह लिए, चलो आज भीड़ से निकलकर अपनी पहचान बनाते हैं। This is the motto and objective of the group. Now I request Replika to welcome our guests.
हमारी महफिल में लोग बिना बुलाए आते हैं। हमारी महफिल में लोग बिना बुलाए, क्योंकि यहाँ सामने से फूल बिछाए जाते हैं। So I would like to introduce our guest Nandi ma'am and Pratima ma'am. They both are the teachers जिन्होंने सिर्फ हमें सिखाया नहीं, जिन्होंने हमें हर चीज का नजरिया बदला है। They both are very precious for me as well as for all of us. So please welcome Ma'am Nandi and Ma'am Pratima.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Replika.
So let me introduce the group to our guests. We are really delighted with the presence of the two eminent guests on the occasion of our 10th session celebration. We created this group with the motto to enhance our personality and develop our skills. This group was created 2 months, conducted our first activity on the 4th of October, which was an introduction session. After that, we have conducted various activities such as debates, group discussions, interviews, and even games we conducted, interesting quiz sessions we conducted. And now we are here in the 10th session.
कभी दूरी भी प्यार तो बढ़ा देती है, कभी कभी दूरी भी प्यार तो बढ़ा देती है, और कभी कभी इंतजार भी मजे देते हैं। तो इस इंतजार की घड़ी को खत्म करते हुए मैं अपनी प्यारी सी सिंगर वैष्णवी दी को इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी। वैष्णवी दी।
Hello, hi, good evening all. So here we go. आप जो इस तरह से तड़पाएंगी, ऐसे आलम में पागल हो जाएंगी। आप जो इस तरह से तड़पाएंगी, ऐसे आलम में पागल हो जाएंगे। ये वो मिल गया जिसकी हम कब से तलाश थी, बेचैनी सी इन सांसों में जन्मों की प्यास थी। जिस्म से रूह में हम उतरने लगे, जिस्म से रूह में हम उतरने लगे। इस कदर आपसे हमको मोहब्बत हुई, इस कदर आपसे हमको मोहब्बत हुई। टूट के बाजुओं बिखरने लगी, आपके प्यार में हम संवरने लगे। देख के आपको हम निखरने लगे, आपके प्यार में हम संवरने लगे। देख के आपको हम निखरने लगे। Thank you.
A melodious start to the celebrations of the 10th session. Really, it was a mesmerizing performance altogether. Now, coming to the second topic of the program, we have a public speaking on the burning issue of corruption. नेताजी का घोटाला आए दिन अखबारों की सुर्खियां बना रहता है। चलिए आज शिवान से जानते हैं उसके विचार करप्शन पर।
Thank you. Good evening to all of you. My name is Shivansh Gupta and I am here to give a public speech on corruption. First of all, by corruption, we mean that any dishonest or immoral behavior or activities that result in the gain of some powerful organization or people. Thus, corruption often results in loss to weaker section of the society. There are different forms of corruption. For example, extortion, nepotism, bribery, patronage, etc. Favored supporters, patronage, favoring relatives, nepotism, and favoring friends, cronyism of an official for private gain are forms of corruption. In these, many incompetent people are leaders in the system over the able ones. Illegal interference with the election process is electoral fraud. The theft of entrusted public funds for personal benefit is embezzlement. There are many political, economical, and social effects of corruption. Corruption becomes a major roadblock for the rule of law and democracy. It depletes national wealth. As a social effect, the community or society gives up the trust in the system. Corruption is a evil for our system, and we have to fight against it. Effective laws enforcement is the key to ensure that the corrupt people is punished. The tradition of government openness, freedom of the press, transparency, and access to information help in the curbing corruption. And these are some ways through which we can fight against the corruption. To sum it up, corruption is the biggest evil of any society. All necessary steps must be taken to eliminate this evil. I hope from now on, every individual will strictly oppose and prevent corrupt activities from occurring anywhere around us. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivans, for your wonderful insight on the topic of corruption, the most serious issue of the Indian society and all around the world. Thank you, Shivans, for your insight. Recently, there was a report in the newspaper that India is the most corrupt country in the Asia, and your insights might inspire many of the participants and all around the society to free society of corruption. Now, the topic which we are moving is a very serious one. मैं नीर भरी दुख की बदरी, मैं नीर भरी दुख की बदरी, इस विस्तृत नभ का कोई कोना, मेरा न कभी अपना होना। परिचय इतना इतिहास यही, उमड़ी कल थी मिट आज जली, मैं नीर भरी दुख की बदरी. This has been the definition of the female society in India. We live in a patriarchal society which has been always dominated by men. So Ayush is going to present a beautiful poem regarding the problems, the situation of the females in Indian society. Over to Ayush.
Good evening to all of you present here. My name is Ayush and I'm going to recite a Hindi poem on the title सिसकियां बेटी की. मैं एक जलती आग हूँ जिसे कोई बुझा ना पाए, मैं एक शक्ति हूँ जिसे कोई मिटा ना पाए, मैं एक मसाल हूँ जिसे चलती हवाएं भी तबाह ना कर पाए, मैं हूँ एक शरीर जो बन गई है किसी की लकीर. क्या कमी थी मुझ में जो पूरे दान में पाई गई, क्या कमी थी मुझ में जो पूरे दान में पाई गई. अगर एक मौका देती तुम आसमां की ऊंचाइयां छू कर दिखलाता, अगर एक मौका देती तुम आसमां की ऊंचाइयां छू कर दिखलाती. बस अगर एक मौका देती तुम, बस अगर एक मौका देती तुम. क्यों पापा, क्यों हूं मैं अपने भाई से अलग, क्यों हूं मैं आपसे अलग. अगर मैं बेटे के बराबर होती तो क्या होता, अगर ऐसा होता तो क्या होता, अगर ऐसा होता तो क्या होता. जाने क्यों मिटा रहे हैं लोग मेरे अस्तित्व को, जाने क्यों मिटा रहे हैं लोग मेरे अस्तित्व को, लेकिन खोज में मैं हूं अपनी पहचान की, बस अपनी पहचान की, बस अपनी पहचान की. थैंक यू.
Very well recited, Ayush.
Really, it's really amazing.
It was indeed a great insight poem, Ayush. जरूरत है आज ऐसी सोच की जो इस पुरुष प्रधानता को खत्म कर सके. Now, moving on to a motivational poem by Sunny.
Good evening, everyone. I I am here to speak Hindi motivational poem. Their title is कुछ कर गुजर जाने की. आज तू बिखरा है एक रोज तू निखरेगा ही. आज तू बिखरा है एक रोज तू निखरेगा ही. ढला है जो आज सूरज कल सुबह निकलेगा ही. माना तेरी मंजिलें इन लोगों की जंजीरों में. माना तेरी मंजिलें इन लोगों की जंजीरें में है, पर तू तपेगा जब तेरी तपन से वो लोहा भी पिघलेगा ही. मंजिलों के रास्ते में तो कांटे सभी के हैं. मंजिलों के रास्ते में तो कांटे सभी के हैं, पर तेरे अंदर जुनून हो तो कांटों पर चलेगा ही. माना आज तू बिखरा है एक रोज तू निखरेगा ही. ढला है जो आज सूरज कल सुबह फिर निकलेगा ही. हवाएं विपरीत ही क्यों ना चले, हवाएं विपरीत ही क्यों ना चले, तू कदम कदम बढ़ेगा ही. तुझे कल के लिए है तैयार होना, तो आज तो गिरेगा ही. आज तो गिरेगा ही. तेरी कोशिश देख हवाओं का रुख, तेरी कोशिश देख हवाओं का रुख, एक रोज तू बदलेगा ही. तेरी कोशिश देख हवाओं का रुख, एक रोज तू बदलेगा ही. माना आज तू बिखरा है एक रोज तू निखरेगा ही. ढला है जो आज सूरज कल सुबह फिर निकलेगा. थैंक यू.
Very nice.
थैंक यू.
Thank you Sunny.
बस डरो नहीं बोल सकते, कॉन्शियस मत हो.
Good, Sunny.
Conscious मत हो. You was reciting so well. No need to be conscious about.
Good. Carry on. Next.
Thank you, Ayush. Thank you, Sunny. It was great enough. It was really inspiring and motivating. Now our host is going to perform. Replika is going to come up with her story.
Thank you, Vipati. आपकी नज़र थोड़ी समझा, नज़र थोड़ी समझा, हमें मंजूर है उनका फैसला, हमें मंजूर है उनका फैसला. शुक्रिया. Thank you.
Good.
She was having her problem in her throats, and despite that, she sang really well as usual.
Next stanza.
Okay. Now we are again with a public speaking. Actually, ma'am, what we have done in the
It's okay.
actually what we have done in this session is that throughout the 9 sessions, what the students have done, what the members have done, they are showing their talent here, because there were many members when they joined, they were not speaking at all. बिल्कुल वो नहीं बोलते थे, कुछ भी नहीं, सब चुपचाप. So in 9 sessions में बहुत लोगों ने बोलना सीखा, and that is what they are performing here. So now next we have again a public speaking, again a sensitive issue of male chauvinism. It's being presented by Anshika. Anshika, over to you.
Good evening, teachers and my dear friends. I am Anshika Kashyap and my topic is male chauvinism. Male chauvinism commonly joke that a woman's role is to clean and cook. First of all, what is male chauvinism? It is a male prejudiced against women. Male chauvinism, it is a belief that the men are more superior in terms of ability, intelligence than women. In simple, a man who thinks women are not equal to men. Why successful women are seen as fit? Why a woman should not earn more than her husband? Why the sacrifice of a woman is always unworthy? Why women has to face harassment by the society over and over again? This attitude is in the reins in today's modern society, but it has also sustained in contemporary period, and it has also sustained, always suppressed the voice of a woman. The inequality of power between men and women was in which war and ruler played a decisive role. But in recent times, after gaining more rights, by the woman, and also after becoming more successful, she has to face male chauvinism in workplace, educational institutions, and at every place where she tries to compete with them. Chauvinism was found to represent a word of anxiety and shame arising from one or more of prime sources. Male chauvinists are the commonly who they believe that they do not understands our emotions. They treat women as an object, and in some cases there is seen that a woman one.
Okay, Replika, you continue. I think she is getting disconnected.
Okay. So our next participant is Shalini, and she is a performer karaoke. So Shalini, you can carry.
Okay, thank you. And first, I'm gonna apologize for not turning on my video on because of poor connectivity. And the song today I'm going to perform is in the memory of the loved ones that we have lost, maybe in pandemic or before. All right. So many words for the broken heart, sad to see in crimson love, so hard to breathe. Walk with me in maybe nights of light, so soon become wild and free. I can feel the sun, your every wish will be done. They tell me, show me the meaning of being lonely. Is this the feeling I need to walk with? Tell me why I can't be there where you are. There's something missing in my heart. Life goes on as never ends. Eyes of stone observe the trend. They never say forever kiss the me. Keep the roads to an endless love. There's no control. Are you with me now? Your every wish will be done. They tell me, show me the meaning of being lonely. Is this the feeling I need to walk with? Tell me why I can't be there where you are. There's something missing in my heart. Thank you guys, that's it. That song was represented by Shalini, Feedback Street Boys, and collaborated with Tiny Santa. Thank you, hope you guys enjoyed it.
Great.
Really great.
That's very nice.
Music was also clearly
That's
audible.
very nice, Shalini.
Thank you very much. What was the participant name?
Shalini.
Shalini.
Now, Divyanshi is going to present a poem. हास्य कविता है वो और वो टीचर्स पे है. So first of all, एक disclaimer टीचर्स के लिए, स्पेशल गेस्ट के लिए, मैम प्लीज डू नॉट माइंड इट. वो बस she has created on her own. So I hope you will understand it. Okay, Divyanshi, go ahead.
पेपर में नंबर आते हैं 4, फिर होते डंडे की भरमार. मैं पिटती टीचर से हर बार, बस सी है मेरी ये संसार. हाथ मत उठाना, बाद में पड़ेगा पछताना. माना कि मैं पहाड़ा नहीं जानती हूँ, परंतु उत्पीड़न अधिनियम की धाराओं को पहचानती हूँ. यह सुनकर गुरुजी मूर्ति समान जम गए, उसी स्थान पर थम गए। इतने में प्रधानाध्यापक भी शोर सुनकर आ गए और मामला देखकर सकपका गए। इतने में छात्र ने आवाज लगाई, गुरुजी से आज होगी हमारी लड़ाई। और सारी कक्षा भी हो गई उसके साथ। प्रधानाध्यापक छात्र को कोने में ले गए, बहाने बताने आधा घंटा लगा दिया। समझौता किया कि गुरुजी लिखित माफीनामा तैयार करेंगे, वरना हम विद्यालय का बहिष्कार करेंगे। प्रताड़ना का दर्ज हो जाएगा केस, पेंशन के कागजों में हो जाएगा निलंबन का प्रवेश। गुरुजी हो गए पसीना पसीना, दिसंबर में आ गया जून का महीना। इसके बाद जो हुआ यकीन मानिए, हवा भी थम गई, शर्म के मारे मेरी कलम भी यहीं पर थम गई। अतः मैं यह कहना चाहूंगी कि शिक्षक जैसे भी होते हैं वो बहुत महान होते हैं। आज हम जो भी हैं सब उनकी कृपा की वजह से हैं। अतः मैं 2 लाइन कहकर आप सबसे विदा लेना चाहूंगी। गुरु का दर्द क्या पढ़ाए, क्या पढ़ाना मुश्किल हो गया है। छात्र अब छात्र नहीं रहे, गुरु की इज्जत के कातिल हो गए हैं। धन्यवाद।